We did a usability test of the GE model number 74817A alarm clock. This alarm clock comes with buttons that toggle with the alarm, radio, and snooze function. The clock also has a screen to display the time, alarm, and current radio station. We held our usability test at the hub because of its central location to campus. We tested students who use alarm clocks before their 9:30 a.m. classes and who stop by the hub in between classes. Our metrics included time to complete a task, buttons pressed to complete the task, and satisfaction. The tasks included setting regular time to 4 p.m., setting the alarm to 8 a.m., and setting the alarm to play AM radio. We also took ethical considerations when planning this test, as users consented to participate, be recorded, and have data collected about their test.
Okay, so 4, I don't know if it's AM. Okay, 4
Perfect.
Our first task asked users to set the normal time to 4 p.m. The average time to complete this task was 36.6 seconds, while the average buttons pressed was 51. The users were very satisfied after this task and perceived it as easy.
Okay, so that toggles it, so I pulled it down and then set it to, is it 8 a.m.?
That was great.
Yep, and that should be set.
Our second task asked users to set an alarm to 8 a.m. The average time to complete this was 31.3 seconds, while the average buttons pressed was 7.7. Though the users did complete this task quickly, they reported being less confident and less satisfied than after the first task.
And I don't really know if I'm on AM or FM. There's probably, oh, this is going to get knocked. That slides it. I don't know if I'm on AM or FM now. Ah, back here, AM.
Our third task asked users to set an alarm to play AM radio. This task was perceived as being the most difficult out of the three, with the average time being 39.3 seconds to complete, with an average buttons pressed being 5. People had difficulty finding the switch from AM to FM. From the usability test, we found that the users desired more clear language on the clock, for example saying alarm instead of wake. The users also expressed an AM-FM switch in a more visible location. Our redesign is depicted on the right. In the future, we would have liked to hold tests in a quiet location, though the hub is a convenient meeting place for students. Also, if we had more metrics and more users, our test could have produced more dynamic and accurate results. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed.